In the previous video, we could see all the benefits that GeneXus offers. Now, let's install the trial version of GeneXus. Go to training.genexus.com and select the option Try GeneXus. There, we'll be asked for an email to send us the download link. To see the hardware and software requirements of our computer, there is a link to them on the same site. We'll enter our email address, validate the CAPTCHA, and press send. Then go to our inbox. Remember, if you don't find this email in your main folder, you should check the spam or promotion folders when using Gmail. Here is the email with a link to download GeneXus. We'll wait for GeneXus to download, and once downloaded, we'll execute it. Here we'll be asked for the path to install GeneXus, and we'll choose typical installation. Then it asks for the installation path of the Android requirements. And we'll keep all the default settings. The installation is now complete. Everything is ready. In the next video, you'll learn about the GeneXus interface.